Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a new chapter, that is group 17 elements. So let us start. That is group 17 element. The group 17 element in the periodic table are known as halogen family. The group 17 elements in the periodic table otherwise known as halogen family. Why the group 17 elements are called as halogen family? Because the first three elements of this family forms sea salt. The first three members of this halogen family, this group 17 group forms sea salt. So they are mainly forms sea salt. So due to formation of sea salt, these group elements are otherwise known as halogen family. The halogen family is group 17 elements are otherwise known as halogen family. Let us know what are the members present in the halogen family. In halogen family, there are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine are present. These 5 elements are present in the group 17 element or group 17 group or in halogen family: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Let us discuss the electronic configuration of these elements. The electronic configuration in this element, we know these are group 17. So all the elements of this group have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. The elements of this group have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. The valence general electronic configuration is NH2NP5. The valence shell electronic configuration of this group element are NH2NP5. All the elements have valence shell configuration in the format NH2NP5. So these elements have one electron short to the attain nearest inert gas electronic configuration. The elements have one electron short than the nearest inert gas electronic configuration. Nearest inert gas means group 18. So from group 18 elements, they have one electron less. In group 18, the outermost configuration is NH2NP6 and group 17 elements have configuration NH2NP5. So they have one electron less than the group 18 elements or from the nearest inert gas electronic configuration. So what are the electronic configuration of these elements? See, first member is fluorine having atomic number 9. Electronic configuration is helium 2, 2s2 2p5. Then chlorine atomic number 17, neon 10, 3s2 3p5. Then bromine atomic number 35. Configuration is argon 18, 3d10, 4s2 4p5. Then iodine having atomic number 53. Having electronic configuration krypton 36, 4d10, 5s2 5p5. Then astatine having atomic number 85. Electronic configuration is xenon 54, 4f14, 5d10 and 6s2 6p5. So we can see that all the elements of this group have configuration, valence shell configuration, that is 2s2 2p5, 3s2 3p5, 4s2 4p5, 5s2 5p5, 6s2 6p5. So all the elements of this group have valence shell configuration in the format NH2NP5. So this is the electronic configuration of halogen family. Let us discuss its physical properties. Let us discuss their physical properties. So first physical property is atomic radii and ionic radii. First physical property is atomic and ionic radii. So in periodic table, group 17 present almost towards right of the periodic table. We know on moving in a period, the atomic size decreases due to increase of effective nuclear charge. So group 17 elements have smaller atomic and ionic radii in comparison to other groups in a period. In a period, in comparison to other groups, that means from 16 or 15 groups, they have smaller atomic and ionic radii due to maximum effective nuclear charge. If we consider only group 17 elements, that means from fluorine to iodine, if we consider only group 17 elements, that is from fluorine to iodine, then atomic size and atomic size increases. That means atomic radii and ionic radii on moving down the group increases. On moving down the group, that is from moving from fluorine to iodine, the atomic radii and ionic radii increases due to increase of number of cell and decrease of effective nuclear charge. So from fluorine to iodine, atomic radii, ionic radii increases. Then comes to second property, that is density. Then comes to second property, that is density. Then comes to second physical property, that is density. So on moving down the group, when we move from fluorine to iodine, that is on moving down the group, the density of the elements increases due to their close packing structure. Because on moving down the group, atomic size increases. Atomic size increases means van der Waals force of attraction increases. So the close packing structural arrangement occurs due to increase of atomic size. So on moving down the group, atomic size increases as well as density also increases due to close packing structural arrangement. Then comes to another property, that is atomicity and physical state. Then comes to another property, that is atomicity and physical state. In atomicity, halogens exist in the diatomic form. That is, halogen always exist in the form of diatomic covalent molecule, that is in the form of X2. X2 means they are represented as F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. They are diatomic covalent molecules. That means their atomicity is 2. They are diatomic. 2 atoms combines to form a stable molecule. Then comes to its physical state. The physical state depends upon the van der Waals force of attraction. We know van der Waals force of attraction depends upon surface area. Van der Waals force of attraction depends upon surface area. More is the surface area, more is the van der Waals force of attraction. So on moving down the group, atomic size increases as well as surface area increases. So van der Waals force of attraction increases. So according to increase of van der Waals force of attraction, their physical state changes. So fluorine, chlorine are gases because they are smaller in size and van der Waals force of attraction is less, so they are exist in gaseous state. Then on moving from chlorine to bromine, atomic size increases. Atomic size increases means van der Waals force increases. That means the gas converted to the force of attraction. Due to increase of force of attraction, bromine exists in liquid state. Then when we come from bromine to iodine, van der Waals force of attraction becomes more. Then van der Waals force of attraction, due to high van der Waals force of attraction, iodine exists in volatile solid at room temperature. Because on moving down the group, the molecular size increases. As a result, van der Waals force of attraction increases. So according to van der Waals force of attraction, their physical state changes. Fluorine, chlorine exist in gaseous, bromine exist in liquid and iodine exist in volatile solid form. So this is the atomicity and physical state. Next comes to another property, that is solubility. Next comes to another property, that is solubility. If you consider only halogens, normally halogens are diatomic covalent molecule, that is they are form covalent bond with the same atom. That means the bond between the halogen atoms are nonpolar in nature. The bond between the halogen atoms is nonpolar in nature. So they are nonpolar molecule. So and water is a polar solvent. So according to solubility rule, halogens does not dissolve in water because they are non-polar. Water is polar, so non-polar does not dissolve in polar solvent. So in water halogens are not soluble. Halogens are non-polar in nature, so it is soluble in polar solvent like water. So they are soluble in polar solvent like water. So they are soluble in organic solvent because organic solvents are non-polar, that is CH2, CCl4 are non-polar solvent. They are soluble in non-polar solvent or organic solvent like CH2 and CCl4 and produced color ion and produced color solution. Sorry, ion may produces color solution. They produce color solution. And the decreasing order of solubility of halogens in water is, on moving down the group, the solubility with water decreases due to decrease of electronegativity. Next comes to another property, that is electron gain enthalpy. What do you mean by electron gain enthalpy? Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity means electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released when an extra electron is added to the valence shell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom. गोटे आइसोलेटेड न्यूट्रल गैसेस आटम रो वैलेंस शेल रे गोटे एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड हेले द amount of energy released हुए, that amount of energy is known as electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. If the force of attraction between the nucleus and the added electron is more, the force of attraction between the nucleus and added electron is more, then more amount of energy is released. Hence, electron affinity is more. If the force of attraction between the nucleus and added electron is less, then less electron is released and electron affinity is less. The group 17s are present in a period almost towards right, so they have maximum electron gain enthalpy in the respective period because these groups have one electron less than the stable noble gas configuration. If we attract a one electron to its nucleus, then they attain stable noble gas configuration. To attain stable noble gas configuration, they have maximum tendency to accept an electron. To attain noble gas configuration, they have a strong tendency or maximum tendency to accept an electron, for which they have more electron gain enthalpy in the respective period. But when we moving down the group, that is if we consider only group 17, the electron gain enthalpy decreases due to increase of atomic size or decrease of force of attraction. And moving down the group, the electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity decreases due to increase of atomic size. So the order of electron affinity should be, that is in the order fluorine should be greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. But the actual order of electron affinity in group 17 elements is chlorine is greater than that of fluorine, is greater than that of bromine, is greater than that of iodine. Why this order is not preferable? This order is preferable. Why chlorine has more electron gain enthalpy or more electron affinity? Because the exceptional behavior of fluorine is its atomic size. The fluorine has unexpectedly less electron gain enthalpy than chlorine is due to its small size. So due to its small size and high charge density, there is a repulsion occurs between the incoming electron and the present electron. So the nucleus attract the extra electron weakly. So due to weak force of attraction, electron gain enthalpy becomes less. So in group 17, chlorine has maximum electron gain enthalpy, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. And in whole periodic table, group 17 elements have highest electron gain enthalpy, and among group 17, chlorine has highest. So we can say that in whole periodic table, chlorine has highest electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. Next comes to another property, that is electronegativity. The electronegativity is the capacity of an atom to attract the bond pair of electron towards itself. It is a capacity of an atom to attract a bond pair of electron towards itself. More is the attraction, more is the electronegative. Less is the attraction, less is the electronegativity. If when the force of attraction increases, the electronegativity increases. So in the whole periodic table, group 17 elements have highest electronegativity due to their smaller size. And in group 17, fluorine has highest electron negativity due to its small size. The order of group 17 elements of electronegativity is fluorine is greater than that of chlorine, is greater than that of bromine, is greater than that of iodine. So in whole periodic table, fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. So in electron affinity case, chlorine has highest electron affinity, and in electronegativity case, fluorine has highest electronegativity in whole periodic table. So these are the physical properties of halogen elements. In next video, I will discuss its chemical properties. Okay? Thank you.